So hello everyone. Has been a long time since I've done anything. Due to holidays, due to work, other headaches. The Golf broke. Like two main components to get it going broke. One of them is the starter motor, um, which I had laying around. I swapped it around, but obviously, who gives a good part with your car if you buy it? So yeah, it turned out it was very bad quality. Well, not bad, it just wasn't working. So I need to find another alternatives. As for the Golf, this is the last summer for it, the last spring, because it's not gonna get a new MOT because after diving in a little bit deeper, it is way too rusty. There's no point of doing it. It just needs to live the last summer, last spring. So yeah, so I didn't want to spend too much money on it, obviously, because it's pointless, honestly. Unless if I buy a GTI Golf and then the parts I can like salvage and all that stuff, like starters, and because they're very similar. But yeah, anyway, mumbling again. So yeah, so what I did is instead of buying the whole starter motor, I bought this bit, brand new. It costs like 20 euros because the only reason why I need to change this starter motor around because this bit snapped. It's like basically it looks like this. So this one snapped and I can't connect it to the coil. So it means it doesn't give it spark, it can't turn over, and if I can turn it over, it can't start it. And another thing is generator. I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with it. Maybe the belt is too loose because I was tinkering with it. So I just need to recheck that one again, and we're gonna see. But the first thing is I need to go to garage, get the drill, get some hardware, because these beautiful, sexy 90 bolts, yes, these ones, these bad boys, yeah, they don't want to come off. As it's going through, and it's just like holds in, as it's in, because all the threads are in this one, as you can see, there we go. So I can just drill the heads off and just yank it off and then put new bolts in, and it should fit and work and should be good. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to the garage, get the drill, get other bits, and we're gonna change the starter motor on my driveway. Well, it's not really a driveway, it's a fucking condo, so it's on the street. It's even worse though, isn't it? So yeah, let's go. So I got CTB, sorry. Yeah, so I got it.
Best friends are my family, so generous, fearless, they gave us happiness. You are fire, it scares away my bitterness. Never have enough of this, I'll 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 never have enough of this.
So, got this bad boy off. I did need to drill some bolt heads off because it just wasn't coming apart. So yeah, and this is the assembly that is crooked, and as you can see, it's probably, you can see why it's like that. So I'm gonna swap it around. I got new bolts and stuff like that to get in here. Oh, look at them, they're coming out quite nicely now. I wonder why. Yeah. Anyway, there's the red Loctite on it, and I think that's the reason why I couldn't get them open. Anyway, that's done. I got the new one here. Showed you before. And you know what's the best thing? Doing this in home comfort. It's warm. You got coffee. You get some music. That's so amazing. Anyway, let's crack on with this then. Okay, so that stopped around, but the battery is dead. There's not even one light on the dash. So yeah, I thought I'm just gonna run to the shop now and buy a new battery for the car so I can swap it around and see what's going on. If it starts, if it's not, where should I go further with it? Because this battery is dead, I can't do anything about it. I don't want to do anything about it. It's been sitting there for good over a month now. So yeah, I'm just gonna nip there, buy some battery, get CDB or SHIDB, and get cracking, because I'm very eager to finish it and get it done and sorted, because I'm already sick of it not running. So yeah, let's go to the shops. So I nipped to the shop. I thought, oh, there should be some like half decent car batteries or something, like Varta or I don't know, anything fairly like I know. No, there's only Nordic Power that I haven't heard at all. Never ever. I was like 60 euros or 70, and I was like, Jesus Christ, who is gonna spend that money on a shit that you don't know? So instead, I bought shit that I don't know, but to charge it. And it's pretty bad, as you can see. That's the power it has now. 7.4 volts. That's nothing. It's volts, not volts. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave it charging until it's decent, as it's supposed to be, and then try it again, see if it goes or not. And I should have the generator today as well. Alternator, that's the word, not generator. Generator produces electricity in different kinds, yeah. So yeah, if I get it today, awesome. If not, I just want it to start, and that's it. That's all I want today. It's nothing more. So I know that starter motor is fine, all that shit is fine, and then everything else I can do later on. It's just a little step forward, you know what I mean. So yeah, so let's wait. Do you want to see it? Do you want to make me a long video how it charges for about 2 hours? No, I don't think so. Okay, guys. So yeah, let's wait again. So hi everyone, it's another beautiful day here in Latvia. Yeah, the last time I changed the starter solenoid and the car didn't start and it didn't do anything. I took it to garage, they fixed it, it's working now, it's fine, but I still need to change the little jimmy jiggers, like this bad boy. Still need to change it. I think these like coils or something for the generator. These are from the old one, and they've really worn out. Well, it's not focusing at all, is it? Okay, anyway, yeah, I need to pop to the parts store to get that and change it, so I know it's for definite new and I don't have any headaches with it, because it's kind of charging, everything is happening, but at the same time, when I listen to music in a car, it doesn't create enough electricity to keep it running. So I'm gonna go do that, and I need to readjust the car because it's being crappy again. It's not the cold weather or anything. I adjusted it before, but I wasn't sure which way I'm adjusting it, and it feels like it has fuel starvation at the beginning, and that's why I need to readjust it again. So I'm gonna do this today. And hopefully this car is going to be running and I can take it on a track at some point in its short but glorious life. So I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, this video is not the most fun, but well, it's the golf life, you know. You drive, it's fine, then it breaks, it's not fine, and you need to remember it's like 30 years old car, so it's fine. And that's what happens when you drive only on your car battery. So yeah, I'm in the garage now, so that's good. So I got the parts. Hopefully they're gonna work and fit and all that stuff. If not, I got battery charger. I'm gonna charge it up, find a way to do shit, and then organize it. But for now, it is what it is. So yeah, so let's get cracking. Yeah. So for comparison, you can see the difference between them. These are the old ones. Just want to focus. So yeah, these are the old ones. You can see they are kind of worn out already, and these are the fresh new ones. Like everything is the same. So should be cool. I'm gonna swap it around. Easy swap, as you can see. I haven't taken the generator off itself. I just took it off. I put it on a charge, so that's not good. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna finish it now. So it did start quite alright. I'm gonna leave it running for now. See how he reacts. Then I didn't buy a voltmeter. I don't know. Basically to check the voltage. Place where I went, they didn't have them in stock. But I got the charger, so I can technically put it on and check if the voltage is rising or falling.